So we're actually almost done. I just want to give you some final notes and tips. Final notes: recall that the engineer creates chemical products in massive scale for profit. Very important. That's the general idea of engineering. Use science in order to create very interesting products and get it economically, technically, environmental, legally, socially, and all the things you can imagine according to this right here. So you want to be very, very happy with the economic situation. You gotta be able to do it technically speaking. The environmental, let's say, footprint should be very low. The legal stuff, well, must be legal. Follow all the, let's say, the orders and so on. Socially, you need to help give something back to the society and so on. The chemist, well, inventor, discoverer of new products, new sciences, and it's generally related to substances. So it's whatever you want to do. The thing I just want to tell you guys is that I know some engineers that end up as chemists or doing chemist job or anything related to chemistry. And I know plenty of chemists that ended up as engineers. Actually, I think it's easier for a chemist to end up as an engineer than an engineer going to chemistry. Because actually engineers don't like that much chemistry. They like more processes. When you get to know the processes, you get in love. And the chemists try to go for engineering because they want to pursue maybe, I don't know, processes and so on. That, well, I would say I don't know that many people that end up like that. But the good thing is that study whatever you study, you will get into what you want if you search for it. So my tip is study what you are really interested, not only studying your bachelor, but what it should be also part of your life plan. So you want to be a, let's say, example, professor of chemistry in a high school because you like kids. So I mean, not kids, I mean like teenagers. Well, why would you go to work and so on? You just go directly to do some master or PhD and apply for your high school or maybe even university. If you want to be a consultant, well, you gotta more likely go for engineering and work about 5 years and then open your own consultant agency. If you want to be a freelancer, well, pretty similar to this. You want to be a researcher of medicine, well, you can choose both engineer or chemist. Maybe you are more into the reactors, or maybe you are more into the kinetics. So whatever you choose should suit you the best. So in general, guys, study what you think is best for you. Don't follow the people. I know many chemical engineers that wanted to study chemistry and didn't study it because they thought that engineering was best. And well, it's not about that. It's about what are you best. In general, you are the best when you love something, when you are passionate. And backwards, I know plenty of chemists that told me, dude, I didn't even know what a chemical engineer did until I was studying. And I thought, well, I think I will love to be an engineer, but right now I'm already in my 3rd year or 4th year and I cannot go back. Well, first things first, you can always go back. Secondly, the point of fucking studying is researching before you actually make a decision. So don't just go with the current, don't follow the people, you do it by yourself. You either have an engineer mind or a chemist mind, but be sure to make your final decision by your own. And guys, we are done. Thank you for following through this video series. Hopefully you like it. If you have any comment, you can always do it. Actually, in the next video, I'm going to show you all the comment section, emails, fan page, and so on. So now that you know, go choose your course, your bachelor, and most importantly, study and enjoy your bachelor, guys.